Today's our first day of building. We'll be building this, the Polaroid camera coming in at 516 pieces. Let's get to it. We got a total of 4 bags and 3 different photos to come with the camera. Starting off with bag 1. We have our first part of the Polaroid camera. We are now halfway there. Onto our final bag. And there you have it, our very first Polaroid camera made of completely Lego. This icon set was really fun to build and will go great in the collection. Make sure to stay tuned for more Lego builds like this one.